I've got some knit winter caps that are just all stretched out and they don't fit snugly anymore. So what I'm going to do is to cut a triangle out of the hat just on one side and right along the seam. I'm not going to cut all the way to the top of the cap. I'm going to leave a 3-inch space uncut at the top. And then here I've cut out the triangle. I've cut about a 2-inch triangle here because the hat was really floppy. Now I'm going to sew this side together, and then I'm going to join the sides and sew them both together, thus creating a snug hat. You can feel when you put the two sides together if it's snug enough or not. If not, cut another inch out of the triangle. I'm going to be using a zigzag stitch or an overcasting stitch, and I'm going to set them both on maximum width in order to join the two sides together. Here's my finished product. It's not perfect, but it's certainly snug and cozy.